Hey, welcome to our channel. Whether you're trekking through the Ozarks or just out there enjoying nature, our mission is simple: to help you become a better landscape photographer and to bring you along for the ride.
Well, hello. It's a snowy day here in the Ozarks. Steve's not with me today. He's hopefully traveling back from Yellowstone, and we're going to try to do a video of some of the pictures he got in Yellowstone. I'm not sure when that's going to be, but I've decided I'm going to go out and try to do some pictures. While it's still overcast, the sun's supposed to come out tomorrow. It's pretty bright out here already, so come go with me and see what I get. Well, the roads aren't too bad. I think we got about 6-8 inches of snow, which I've been kind of wanting. I'm one of the weird ones. I like snow. I'm gonna keep it local. It's Sunday, and I think I don't even know what the date is. That's the way it is when you're retired. This is my first composition, this old Ford truck with some snow on it. It's in front of one of our local florists. I've got my 24-70 on, that's my go-to lens. And I'm zoomed in to about 35 millimeter. I'm using exposure to the right, and it looks pretty good. So I'm going to shoot one of this. I got it on continuous high. I need to shut that off. Most of the buttons on my camera, with the exception of a few, I can do with my these gloves on. I'm going to get in a little closer and do some close-up shots. My hands are getting cold again. I'm going to do some focus stacking on this one. I put my 16-35 lens on, and I'm really close to the truck. So I'm going to focus on the foreground, midground, and background and do some focus stacking. I'm shooting exposure to the right, 1/25 at f8. So now I'm going to focus on the bumper and shoot one. Then shoot one about the door. And then one towards the background. Okay, I'm gonna walk around this, see if there's anything else I can see. Actually, I'm liking this angle over here a little better. So I'm gonna move over this way. I don't know how long it recorded for, but I'm gonna move my camera to this side and try to get another angle with the city of Waynesville behind it. There's a lot of telephone lines here. That's the only thing I don't like. Okay, what I do first, I get my composition. It's not too bad. I got a little most of the power lines out, I think. And because I'm so close, I'm going to do focus stacking on this one again. I have to take my gloves off to do that. First I'll check my level. That's one of the buttons I can't. Okay. Got my level the camera. And you know what? It really doesn't matter when I get it back to Lightroom. I normally straighten things out anyway in there. Okay, and I'm going to focus right on the front of the bumper or the light here. Everything's harder in the snow, but it is one of my favorite times to take pictures is when there's snow on the ground. I don't know why, I've always liked it. I went to college photo school in Glenwood Springs, Colorado for 2 years, so I got used to being in the snow. So Now I'm gonna head down to the Ruby Doo Springs. I'm gonna show you how I put my camera in the back. I just have it leaning against my camera bag on the tripod, so when I stop, all I have to do is grab this and take it out. The Ruby Doo Springs behind me here, and people's been down here already, but I always look for a little bit of color, and there's some green moss on the water here. I'm getting some steam off the water, so I think there'll be a composition here. So I'm going to do a little video on the camera. And this is what I see. I like these little sticks right here, these little mounds, and then as you go back, and even in the background I got some blue skies coming, which if the sun comes out with white snow and dark shadows, you're almost, even with my camera, the Nikon D850, you may have to do some bracketing or some HDR type imaging. We'll see. Okay, I've stopped here. I like this tree out in the water here, and I've got this nice, I don't know if you can see it in the video, this nice S-curve here of the ice and the roots coming out, and I got some neat looking clouds too. So I'm going to work on this composition, and there's a leaf out there keeps catching my eye. See it out there? So there's a little color in the tree, and that's what attracted me here. And I think I might go vertical on this. Oh my gosh, the sun came out and my exposure went way up. Oh, it's cold out here. The wind chill factor's -5, I think, but you can see the steam off the river here, so the river's warmer than the air. But look at the lighting I'm getting back here. I'm going to hope that my camera has enough high dynamic range. My lips are frozen. High dynamic range to record from highlights to shadows. But I'm gonna head back to the car. I'm not that far away. I wanted to show you my favorite photo vehicle turns 10. My 4Runner turns 10 years old today, and it's never let me down. I put some new tires on it, 4-wheel drive. I love this thing. Before I get the camera out, I'm gonna walk down here and see if there's any pictures. This is the interstate bridge. The water's running underneath the snow. I can hear it running. Not sure there's going to be a picture here though. No, it's all covered. If I turn around, you can see the river's all covered here. Well, I used to hunt out here all the time and fish out here all the time. And I used to know the man that lived in that house. He's long since passed away. But I'm going to try to get a picture of his old house here. There's a little breeze moving stuff, so I have to watch my shutter speed. There's some geese down there, but I can't get to them. They keep taking off. Don't know if I can get down there or not. Well, I think I'm going to call it a day, an afternoon. It's supposed to stay cold. It's supposed to get in the minus numbers tonight for a low. I think they're calling for -5. I wanted some snow. We got it. Okay, come back. Check out where else I keep saying we, Steve and I together. See where else we go. And if you haven't, subscribe, leave a comment, tell us what you think.